Hey guys, Adam Cook here from McGrath Estate Agents, and today we're at our latest listing at 28 Amalfi Drive in Zilzie. This modern low-set family home features 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and 2 car accommodation, and the addition of a 6x9 powered shed. Come on in and have a look. I really love how light and bright this home is, and everything feels so fresh. For that lucky buyer, there's really nothing to do but move in and enjoy. So guys, that was 28 Amalfi Drive in Zilzie. This property really does tick all the boxes, and I'm sure it won't last long. So please don't hesitate to call Anna and myself. Thanks for viewing. See you on the next one.